Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use the mod function in Excel. So basically all the mod function does is it says, okay, what's the remainder for a number after it is divided by another number? And the mod function has two different arguments. The first is the number that you want to do the division on, and then the second argument is what you want to divide the number by. So to give you a brief example, equals mod 2 being the number, and 2 being the divisor, would give you 0 because there's no remainder from that, but if you change the number to 3, the remainder would be 1. So let's just say we have these numbers and we wanted to say, okay, well, we want something that's evenly split across the entire year, but what would be the remainder? What would be the remainder? So to do this, we can do equals mod. Number is the first argument, then the divisor is 365 for 365 days in the year, and then do this. We can control paste down. As you can see, here's the remainder for each and every single number, and we can add these up. So you can see if we divided by these by 365, each one would add up to have a total remainder of 1800. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.